Now it's time to dive into our second order type, the limit order. Unlike a market order, which will execute at whatever price is available, a limit order has a specific price attached to it. A limit order is restricted to a specified price or better and is considered a passive order because it waits to be filled until that specific price is met. Investors who specifically plan their entries and exits use a limit order. The good thing about a limit order is that you won't incur any slippage and you may actually get a better price than expected. This doesn't happen often, but just know that it can. The not so good thing about a limit order is that it may only get partially filled or may not be filled at all. In the example, we want to set our limit price at $30.26, and we want to buy 500 shares. When we click the Buy button, it's unlikely that the order will be filled immediately because the inside ask or top level of the ask is at $30.42, and we only want to pay $30.26. That's a difference of 16 cents. Since the sellers are unlikely to drop their price by 16 cents just to sell to us, we line up at the bid with other traders waiting to buy at $30.26. Now, if another seller decides to sell at $30.26, our order would most likely be filled. If you own the stock and want to sell it or want to go short, you would do the same thing. In this example, we set our order limit at $30.42. Our quantity is still 500, but this time we want to sell. Since we're selling with a limit order, the system knows not to sell for anything less than $30.42. As you can see, the most that anyone is willing to pay right now is $30.26 at the inside bid. When we hit the sell button, our order will not get filled immediately. It will become a passive order waiting to sell in the queue on the inside ask at $30.42. The great thing about a limit order, per this example, is that it won't sell for anything less than the amount we've stated, $30.42. Let's take a quick quiz. Looking at this book of orders, let's say that you wanted to buy at the best available price in the market, and you wanted to buy it now. What type of order would you use? It's almost given away in the question. If you are buying at the best available market price, then this would be a market order. What if you wanted to join the bid with other hopeful buyers at, let's say, $10.82? What order type would this be? If you said limit order, then you would be correct. Remember, anytime you're specifying a price, it would be classified as a limit order. Let's do the same thing, but with a selling example. If you wanted to sell right now at the best price available, what order type would that be? It would be a market order. In this example, a market sell order would be selling to the buyers at the bid starting at $10.83. If you wanted to join the other sellers on the ask and sell for no less than, let's say, $10.85, what order type do you think that would be? It would have to be a limit order since you are specifying a particular price. Remember, a limit order is a passive order type used for specifically planned entries and exits. If we're buying, it waits for someone to sell the shares that we want. And if we're selling, it waits for someone to buy the shares with a price we want or at a price that is better than the price that we want. There is absolutely no slippage with a limit order. There may come times when a limit order is only partially filled, whereas market orders are more aggressive and will fill at whatever price is available at the moment the order is placed. Now you know what a limit order is, how it works, and when it's used. Before you move on, ask yourself what and how are limit orders used for entering and exiting a position. Ask yourself, what are positives of using a stop market order, and what are the negatives of using a stop market order? Hope to see you in the next video.